My name is Daniel Marchese, and I'm a senior trial attorney at the Marchese Law Firm. At the Marchese Law Firm, we focus exclusively on divorce and family law issues, including custody, child support, and spousal support, and post-judgment issues. When people come in for a consultation, I found over the years that people generally ask the same questions. So we are producing videos to help provide information to clients in advance of the consultation, or just to provide general information that can be helpful to those seeking information, more information about the divorce and custody process. A common question we receive is, how do I get the paperwork started? When you get the paperwork started, our firm will give you 3 forms for you to fill out if you have minor children, and 2 forms or 1 form to fill out if you don't have minor children. Those forms are found on our website, and they're clearly labeled under the Forms tab on our web page header. So you can click that tab and you can find all the forms and instructions you need to get started. When you receive the paperwork back from the court after you file, one consideration is, how are you going to break your news to your spouse? So that's why we advise to have a conversation with them beforehand so they know it's coming. Blindsiding someone is never a good idea because it causes unnecessary contention and it could raise issues that could be unavoidable in the future. If there are safety issues, you could call the spouse and let them know. You could have the attorney write them a letter. You could leave for the weekend. There's several things that you can do to keep yourself safe. So when children are involved, there are different variables that you will need to speak with your attorney with at the time to understand what is best to do in that situation, whether you should take the kids somewhere for the weekend or stay home with the kids or have someone come over to watch the kids. There's many different things that you would need to consider during that time, so it's best to consult with your attorney to figure out what's best in your particular situation. As it relates to children, when you are filing for divorce or talking to your spouse about it, it's probably not a good idea to break the news to your children, especially if they are younger children. It's important in divorce cases when you have children not to triangulate the children into your divorce issues and adult issues. It's very confusing, particularly for young children, and even with older children it becomes very emotionally draining and taxing. And if you are continuing to live with your spouse, even if it's amicable, letting your kids know about the divorce situation is an extremely uncomfortable conversation, and it's not appropriate at all. However, at some point, if someone has to move out, if a parent has to move out, or the divorce process is coming to an end, then at some point you're going to have to figure out how to break it to your children and be able to talk to them. So a professional can help with that, a lawyer or a therapist or a psychiatrist or a counselor or a religious person, anything that might be helpful in transitioning the information to the child. Thank you again for watching this video. If you have further questions, please call us at 248-270-2709 or visit us on the web at www.michigan-lawoffice.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.